Hey y'all, so I'm going to show you guys how to curl. This is the Michelle unit, and yes, she does have curls in it because I had to wear her out last night, so I put some curls in it, but I'm going to recurl it, so don't even pay attention to that. But yeah, this is the Michelle unit, but you can use this technique to curl any unit that you have. It's pretty much the same. So what you're going to need is, of course, a comb. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to curl using both a flat iron, and this is it's rubbed off, but this is from Sally's. This is the Jill Barrie, I think it's tourmaline plates or whatever, and this is the 1-inch plate, but it doesn't have to be this one, but this is just what I'm using. Just shampooed this wig, and once I shampooed it, I parted it, set it under the dryer, and let it dry. And so now, last time I'm going to show y'all how I curl all of my units. I'm just going to use a little clip to clip up this section here. And we're just going to take a section, take my flat iron, and what you want to do, on the sides of the face, I always curl away from the face. And I'm also doing this on a mannequin head because I find that it's easier, especially for people who don't know how to curl. It's easier to curl it when it's off of your head versus being on your head. And as you can see, I am taking large sections because I'm not looking for super tight curls. You want it to be kind of loose and flowy, and this is the best way to get it. So again, I just start by smoothing out the hair, and once I get it about halfway down, I'm just going to turn my iron, and again, we're curling away from the face, and I'm just going to float it on down. Like so. And keep in mind, practice makes perfect, you know, so now we're getting up here by the closure. And again, we're gonna start by smoothing out the root a little bit. Once we get halfway down, you're gonna turn your iron and just let the hair glide through. Let the hair glide through. And you should have a nice curl like that. So when I get up where the closure is, typically I like to make sure, you know, you're smoothing it out pretty good here. Halfway down. Again, smooth it out, halfway down, and then just let the hair glide through. Again, halfway down, let the hair glide through. And so now we're in the back and do the same thing. Oh, y'all, I am so sorry. I forgot to use I like to use this Silk Elements little spray. I like it. It is a heat protecting spray, but it also adds a layer of shine. And I do really like to use that all over the hair. So I forgot to do that beforehand. So, and then we're just gonna comb it through. And yeah, so like I said, we're gonna take a nice section. Take our flat iron here. smooth it. Should get halfway down. Let it glide through. Uh-oh, I missed a piece, so do that again. Let it glide through. And when you get to the other side, this hair here, keep in mind that you're curling away from the face. So I'm gonna smooth the hair down, but halfway through, I'm gonna turn the curling iron, the flat iron the other way and let it glide through. You're gonna let it glide through. And again, halfway down, you'll let it glide through. And let it glide through. Okay, so now we're getting into the bang area. We're getting into the bang area, so. All right, so you're gonna part at a diagonal. You're gonna take our flat iron and again, halfway down, you're just gonna bump it back. Again, Take your diagonal section, halfway down, you are going to bump it back. Take your diagonal section, and again, I just kind of bump it back. And take this last section here and bump it back. And take this last section here and I'm gonna bump it back. And then you just take your fingers and comb it out. And this is the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know if there are any other tutorials that I can do to help you guys slay every day.